So what is up guys, welcome to AGT Tech YouTube channel and welcome to this new video. So guys, in today's video I'm going to be discussing regarding a major problem that is going to be affecting the launch of the iPhone 9. Okay guys, it was expected earlier that the iPhone 9 will get into the mass production in the month of February. So guys, this is not the case. There will be a slight delay in this procedure, or might be a little more delay because of a certain factor. So guys, in today's video I'm going to be discussing regarding this topic. So if you like to stay updated from Apple's ecosystem or Android world, then please consider subscribing to our channel, and without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, from October of 2019 we know that iPhone SE2 is going to be entering into the mass production in the month of February. Okay guys, after a couple of days February is going to be starting, and at this time iPhone SE2 will enter into the mass production. But guys, you know what is the big problem? Well guys, there is a virus that is spreading in China and other parts of the world. Okay, it was initially found in China. This virus is none other but a coronavirus. Okay, the name of the virus is called as the coronavirus, which is very harmful for human health. Okay guys, it is very it's literally like a deadly virus that can cause death even. So it is a very risky virus, and because of this all of the factories and all of the workstations in China are shut down for the temporary reason. Okay guys, this is not at all a safe condition right now in China, so everything is stopped. And so that's the reason why the iPhone SE2 or the iPhone 9 might get delayed in the mass production, and hence the launch date of the iPhone 9 or iPhone SE2 might get little bit rescheduled. Okay guys, it might come in the month of April or May, just depending upon that when the company will start. But guys, I personally want to say that the iPhone 9 should not be our top priority. Okay guys, of course human health is way more important than a smartphone. Okay, hundreds of smartphones will come, but human health is way more important, and hence guys, just let's pray for the best. Let's pray like everyone going under this disease might get recovered very soon, and overall this disease is spreading. Okay, this disease, there are few cases found in India as well, and overall this disease is spreading. So guys, you can do the simple precautions like you can wear mask, you can stop going to the crowded or polluted places, and overall try to prevent this virus from entering your body. Okay, this is very harmful virus. This virus is very dangerous. If you want to have more information regarding this coronavirus, then please search on Google and get the precautions as soon as possible. So guys, in today's video I wanted to give you this little bit of sad news regarding the delayed production. So guys, the delayed production of the iPhone 9 should not be a major problem, but indeed guys, you can do one simple thing, and that is pray for the people who are currently suffering from this disease, and hope so that this disease or this virus will stop very soon. So guys, you do the precautions or you take the necessary precautions. You can get more information regarding it from Google. And so guys, overall in today's video I wanted to give you this news that the production is going to be delayed, and hence the launch date of this iPhone is also going to be delayed. So if you have liked today's video, this was a very short little video, but I wanted to make it as an awareness factor. So if you have liked it, so if you like to stay updated from Apple's ecosystem and Android world, then please consider subscribing to our channel, as it motivates me a lot to bring you like this beautiful content. So I will meet you with another beautiful video. Until then, peace.